everybody. So I'm going to tell you how I managed to expose my Go code to both an Android application and a Python web server. First, the simple one, Go to Android. There's a command called Go mobile bind that will actually produce an Android archive out of your Go code. Except in the doc, it says that only a subset of Go types are supported. And actually, it means that you cannot use slices, except byte slices. So it's kind of a limitation. From Go to Python, it's not the same story at all. So you can use Go build build mode C#, because actually what you will build is a C# library. Yes, you will go from Go to C to Python to C to Go. And it means that you will have to write some C code. And this C code is actually memory management, importing Python headers, managing references or things like that. And actually, you will have to implement it as well in Go, because you will have to do it through CGo. And so CGo headers and save pointers and So there's something that you can do about that, not write it twice in your life. Just write it once and then just write a code generator to do it for you. To do that, you can use a lot of Go standard tools. So from Go source code, you can use the Go parser package and Go AST that has been talked about a bit before to navigate your Go code programmatically and then construct any output you want with text template, which is like HTML template, but for just text. And then you can use a Go generate directive in your code to actually trigger your code generator, excuse me. So there's one thing, though. From Go to Python, every time you will add a new method signature, it's going to be hard because you will have to write all the memory management for your new data types. One solution to this is to use serialization. So this means serialization that you will handle only strings in and out of your API. So this means that you won't have any limitation with Go Mobile anymore. And you will have to write much less C code. Actually, you will produce only the handling of one type of data. But the thing is that you will have to implement the serialization and deserialization. What you can do about that is to automate it. And how to automate it? Use the protobuf language. You have other options, but protobuf has some nice qualities. So protobuf is a language with which you can describe your model once and generate type implementation and serializers and deserializers. So actually, you get them for free. Something even better is that you can describe your API methods. That's meant for gRPC. And actually, you can generate your own API stubs out of this description. How to do that? It's this way. Basically, the protobuf compiler will cause some generators. protoggen-go is the generator for Go code, starting from protobuf descriptions. And it's actually written in Go and has a plugin system. So you can write a plugin for this and navigate your protobuf model and produce the output that you want. So if I recap, basically, you start from a model and API description in protobuf, and you can write a stub generator in Go that will produce some API stubs in Go. And then from those stubs, you will implement your logic, so your core business. And then you will have your API implementation. If you annotate it and write a wrapper generator in Go, well, you will have a Python-compatible package, which is Go plus C files. And from those source code, you will have the opportunity to use the standard Go tools to produce both an Android archive and a Python module. So to sum up really fast, use protobuf if you want to do a cross-platform library, but written in Go. The standard Go tools will help you to automate most of the tasks. And I think that this approach should work with a lot of other languages as long as they can be bound to C. I've written a stub generator and a wrapper generator, and I've put them online yesterday, so feel free to study them and use them if they are worth it. Thank you very much.